Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Devins Financial Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is December 27th, 2012. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market uptrend is under pressure, uh, mostly because of the distribution days are piling up. Distribution days are defined as high volume down days, or the price doesn't move but the volume is high. That's indication the big institution investors are selling stocks. And as many distribution days piling up, and the uptrend is under pressure right now. And usually after Christmas and before the New Year, your stock market had a Christmas rally. But this year, there's no Christmas rally. After Christmas, the stock went down yesterday and today. That is indication of bearishness in the U.S. stock market. China stock market has reversed previous downtrend, and now the China stock index seems to be going up. Real estate sector stocks are very strong. This is a Chinese real estate stocks are very strong. And my plan right now is to exit long positions and definitely before the new year, exit all long positions except the China related ETFs. And I'm gonna hold large position in cash. Your stock market index charts. Let's take a look and major index charts. First of all is the Nasdaq chart, daily chart. As you can see, Nasdaq has broke the support. Those are the major support level. It has broke the support today, and the near term is very bearish. It could head down again. This uptrend seems to be breaking. SP 500 index daily chart also break this little uptrend here, and now is heading down, and the high volume down days, those are distribution days. Take a look at the gold index daily chart. Gold is also in a downtrend, and short-term rebound is possible, but the downtrend is still there until it can reverse that trend. Silver index daily chart. Silver is also in a downtrend. It's broke 200-day moving average. You could get a short-term bounce because of this massive selling. You can get a rebound. However, the trend is going down right now. Uh, US dollar daily chart. The dollar is also in a downtrend. It is very unusual that dollar and gold and going down at the same time, but it is what it is. Let's re-examine previous watch list of some of the ETFs and stocks. The main point is China ETFs is relatively strong compared with the US ETFs, US indexes. Many US stocks failed the breakout. They broke out but immediately pulled back, and those are feeling of breakout, and that is a warning sign that the US market uh, short term is bearish. And I'd like to show you two new, one is a new watch list stock, SODA, SODA, and that is a Ham Holdings. And those are the two stocks on the focus point on my watch list. Let's take a look at Shanghai Stock Exchange index weekly chart. You can see it was a 2 years downtrend. Right now the trend is reversed. Daily chart, Shanghai Stock Exchange Index daily chart. This is a reversal of the downtrend right here, and now it's going up. FXI weekly chart, it's going up. FXI daily chart, this FXI is a 25 China, the big cap state-owned companies. They're traded in Hong Kong or U.S. Stock market, and they're going up. The short term, it could have a pullback, but the trend is up. TAO is a China real estate ETF. It's in the uptrend right now. TAO daily chart. As long as it can hold this blue line, which is 30-day moving average, it's still in the uptrend. SLX and still the vector still index, and looks like you may have a short-term pullback here because it couldn't break previous high and it pulled back. XME, and you can also have a pullback here, but we need to watch out for the pullback, see if it can find support and not break down the previous short-term downtrend. This is important to watch. AMT is still in the uptrend. It may come down, try to test 50-day moving average, see if it can find the support. ARMH, this is on the focal point of my watch list. ARM Holdings is mainly because of its fundamental. It broke out 2-year consolidation flat base, and right now it's in the uptrend. Let's take a look at the ARMH daily chart. Daily chart, it's here. As long as it can find support around 35, this previous low, as long as it can find support at that point, the uptrend is not changed. AVG previously broke out here, broke out a big cup base, broke out here, but now it's pulling back. CELG is also pulling back and try to test 50-day moving average. CRM, Salesforce, and broke out. Daily chart, Salesforce, and broke out here. Now it's pulling back, and it may test 50-day moving average. CVLT is still in the uptrend, and we need to watch for the support levels. The 30-day moving average is better hold here, otherwise the trend may change. DDD 3D Systems, and this stock is very, very volatile. The breakout is very hard to buy, and on the other hand, if it can pull back around 50-day moving average and find support, that would be a better buy point than the breakout. eBay is at the 50-day moving average. Previously broke out from here, however, it pulled back. EVER, it has not broke out from this cup base yet. It's making the base now. FLT is also pulling back. Let's see if it can hold 30-day moving average. As you can see, most of the stocks are pulling back right now. And although from technical point of view, they're still in the uptrend, and the short-term pulling back can also be a factor in the trading. GILD, this stock is sitting at the 50-day moving average. HDB previously broke out from here, now it's pulling back. Lululemon, it's not broken out yet, it's making a cup base right now. NSR, it previously broke out from here with pretty high volume. However, it pulled back. Right now, it tested 50-day moving average. Looks like the test is successful for the day. If it can close up on the upper hand of the daily range, that would be a bullish. Otherwise, it will be bearish. We have to wait until the market close. QIHU, this is a Chinese internet stock. It broke out here. Right now, it's pulled back and bounced up again. Now it seems like it's about to pull back again. REGN, this stock is sitting at the 50-day moving average, looking for support. Sufang, SFUN, it broke out here. Now the uptrend is still intact. Soda, this is a newly added watch list on my watch list. It's making a cup base right now. And today is a down day, and this fundamental is very interesting. VRX is a pharmaceutical stock, and it's making a base right now. WPI is also making a base. Yahoo daily chart, it had a very nice uptrend after it broke out from a flat base here. A very nice uptrend. But pay attention, this entire uptrend, the 30-day moving average, the pink line, has been held. So now let's watch when they pull back, see if it can hold the 30-day moving average. If it can hold, it's bullish. If it cannot hold, that's very bearish. Uh, let's take a look and some of the watch list that's for the stock that has broken down, and those are the stock that are breaking down, and do not long them, do not hold those stocks. If you know how to short, you may and you know how to time it, you may consider short them. Apple, this stock is going down. It's in a downtrend. It broke down 50-day first, then 200-day moving average, rebound, touched 200-day, and came down again. 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average formed a death cross. It's going down. Alex Pharmaceutical also formed a death cross here. 200-day moving average served as a resistance. It's going down. CMG, this stock gap down a couple times with a pretty high volume. That's indication the institution investors are selling it. Right now it's filled the gap. However, the trend is going down. Herbalife, HLF, this is an example that you cannot catch the stock that is do not catch the stock that is falling down because your account can shrink pretty quick. This stock has fell 4 days and massive selling right here. Now it may have a short-term rebound, but it's a downtrend. Don't touch it. ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, is also very high volume selling. Panera Bread, PNRA, high volume selling right here. It's falling below the 200-day moving average. Yum Brands, YUM, gap down, high volume, and come down again, high volume. This is bearish. All right, that's all for this time, and wish you all Happy New Year.